Let me just see if I can do that. Here we are. Okay, so you can see my screen. So step 1 for success, you'll come over to the academy. Now I'm on level 3, that's my picture up there, Sarah Olney Ross, and I'm on level 3, which is the highest level. There aren't any more levels. And you can see on this leaderboard here, I'm number 1 on the leaderboard in France, the European team. I head up the European team, and I've worked quite hard to get to that level. And I've been through all the videos. Now there are 68 items. I don't need you to do that. I don't want you to do that. And I don't recommend that you do that. You can do that patiently over a period of time like I did. But what I do want you to do is you'll come into the academies, and then you will see here Forex English, and then you will see series 1, the general education. You can see that there are 4 series. I've been through all of those, but I only want you to come into Forex 1. So this is super important, as it gives you an instruction manual for the Forex market. So if you've ever played any board game or you've played Call of Duty, then you'll understand the importance of knowing the basics and the rules and how the Forex markets work and how to take advantage of them. So learn from the grown-ups who've developed all this for us. And if you do it right, you can elevate yourself as a trader. So there are lots of different things in the 200 and the 400 series, you know, lots of different things. So if I click on that, hang on, let me just return to library. Don't think we want that one actually. Let me just show you one here. So anyone, click on the 200 series, chart setups, MetaTrader 4, what's a trend, the Fibonacci tool, don't need to go there, don't need to do that. So, you know, the point is that it's a toolbox, and it's not really how it works in Forex, as it's ever changing. If you learn all these tools, you're not going to know which tools that you actually want. You just want, in your tool bag, you just want 4 or 5 tools that you know will work for you, and that's it. So don't overcomplicate it. And I think a lot of people overcomplicate it. Right, so that's step 1, come to the academies. So step 2 is actually hopping on to go live, that's here, and then pick a strategy. Now this is where it gets important in picking a strategy. Here are the top most popular educators, here 39,000 views, etc., etc. You know, very, very popular, but there's so many. And if you've ever played Call of Duty, then you know how important it is to get it right. If you're, you know, if you're going to come into this with you need to come into this with a prior knowledge of what you're looking for. So as Gary Vaynerchuk, who's one of the top, you know, top marketers in the States, fantastically successful, as he says, do as I do, don't do as I say. So I knew what I wanted, and I looked for that in a strategy, and it took me nearly a year to find the one I wanted. You might want something different. It doesn't matter. The point is you have to get to know yourself, what works for you in style of trading, and what it is that you want out of trading. So I wanted high ROI, and I wanted to be able to do that in as little time as possible. And I wanted a very simple strategy that was duplicatable and one that new people could make money with. And disclaimer here, past performance doesn't indicate future profits. I have to say that because of the FTC and Forex, blah, blah, blah. And I wanted, you know, to find that, and it took me a while to find that because I was just like in the washing machine going round and not knowing, you know, what was what. There was so much to choose from. So, you know, you need to have an idea of what you want, and then it does become easier to choose a strategy. This will help you to keep not switching strategies. Again, that was another thing I did. And it's like learning a foreign language. You know, you wouldn't come to France where I live, say, well, I'll have 3 months with Sarah, I'll learn French, and then I think I'll pop down to Barcelona because that's Spain's the next country down, and then I can learn Spanish, etc., etc. I mean, why would you want to do that? This is the point about Go Live. You've got all this fantastic education here. So if I just click on the Forex Basics, come down here, and you can see all these sessions. There's over 80 people, all different times of day, all different strategies. Chance and Samantha, that's the one I follow. So there's 9 hours a week there, different levels. You know, takes you right through from how to draw something up, live trading, questions and answers, new trader orientation, etc., etc. And so you know, keep it simple, stupid. Remember that phrase? Well, you know, I just found it all very, very confusing and complicated, and there was just like, you know, too much to choose from. So I suggest you pick one educator and you really focus on that. And you know, you don't want something that stresses your brain. I mean, the other day I was trading live with the team. I do an hour a day for people, and I didn't realize what had happened on my left hand menu, tools drawing menu, and it completely threw my brain. As I said to people on the call, I said, oh, because it's muscle memory and I don't like any stress trading, and I just like to click the buttons. And I realized afterwards I'd accidentally clicked favorites, and it had just brought up the favorite tools that I use instead of the usual menu that I was used to seeing. So you want the least stress possible. You want to lock in on one educator, and you know, all you have to do is get good at three things. This is my gift to you with this session as I enter my third year. So number one is technical analysis, understanding what's on the chart in front of you as you take a trade. Number two is doing your live trading, no signals, no pals around you, no kind of copying stuff without thinking about what you're doing. An hour on your own every day doing that. And then the third thing is back testing. So going over your trades and finding out how you could improve and what you could do better. So every strategy has its own little bit of psychology, and I think it's very important to say that. There isn't any Trader 101 psychology, and psychology is more of a game plan than psychology as we would understand it. And it may vary from strategy to strategy. You may be able to set up in the same thing as I have, but you may have a different mindset about it. And sometimes your trader psychology may line up with your mindset, and sometimes it may not line up with mine. So you have to be both the funnel and the filter if you're picking more than one educator, and you have to decide what to listen to and what not to listen to. And that's going to be tough. So you want to pick one educator that you're going to listen to them blindly, absorb everything, get proficient, and then you can move on to other strategies. So repeat going through the content and looking at the videos. If I do come onto this one and I'm just picking this one, that, as I say, there's 80 here to choose from. You can see here that it's a mixture of just the plain recorded versions, videos from the timeline, and then the favorited session. So some of the educators will be better organized than others, but all of them will have their favorite sessions, which will give you the game plan for that strategy that you go through in order. So with this one, number one, you trade the success game plan. Number two, how to draw the pattern. Number three, what I wish I knew when I started. And number four, top four confirmations. Remember the tool bag? That's the top four confirmations. I don't need any others. That's all I need in my tool belt that I tie around my waist when I come to trade in the morning. So you know, go through the content, because it's proven that you watch things 3 times, and once you've watched things 3 times, it starts to sink in, and that's very, very important. You get that aha light bulb moment. So if you're going to come to Forex saying, right, okay, hurry up, next please, next please, next please, wrong, you can't do that. You need to come to it. I mean, if this is going to change your life, it's going to change your life, then you need to think, I mean, isn't that worth investing in terms of your time and making that time a priority? You know, if you say you want that, then, you know, that's what you need to do, is make it a priority. And instead of watching TV for an hour, come and watch a video and make some notes, or do a bit of back testing or something and fit it in. I mean, there are 24 hours in a day, you know, even outside of work, you know, you can, family, you can fit it in. So take time and give yourself ample time to go through the process, because when you really dive in, this is what's going to create your livelihood. If you really wanted to do that, then don't you want to know it front and back and everything about it, and know what you're really doing, because that's what gives you the confidence to know you can press that button, take those trades, repeat the process. Now, step 3, the final step. It's a 20-hour process a week. Can you give me 20 hours a week? Do you really want to change your life? Do you really want to join me in doing this as I now enter my 3rd year next Monday, May the 18th? Absolutely love it. It's changing my life, and thank God it is, because my 2 holiday apartments, I'm not going to open up again. That's my decision. I'm already doing the washing and making my bed up there, moving out of here. This is just going to be my office and entertainment and main kitchen. There are kitchens up there, but I'm going to use the whole house for myself. I deserve it. I've done 4 years of running the apartments, and I think it's time now to switch to the next level. I'm full-time Forex trader. In fact, I have been for quite a while. So we've had COVID for 2 months anyway. And you know, now this is the killer statement. I say 20 hours a week, but actually it shouldn't even be that much. Huh? That's good, isn't it? That's the thing about Forex. If you're actually trading too much, you are over trading, and that is not good. It's actually quite unusual. It's, you know, a thing where less is more. So it's a 20-hour process that you can do every single day, and I've got this game plan for 20 hours for success. So if I come to you to my calculator, which you can see here, this is the secret. So on the low end, I'm asking for a bare minimum, but if you want to live the life that you want to live, you know, it's only going to get better from here. I'm asking for 20 hours a week. Now, out of that, I'm going to say -10 for your live trading. Now, really, it should only be 5, and then actually it should be 2 or 3 hours a week, no more than that. Did you hear that? That's absolutely the thing about trading. If you are actually doing 10 hours a week, 2 hours a day trading, and more, or you know, then you are over trading. You may have to grind it out at the beginning and repeat things and go over and do your demo account. But if you are over trading, or you know, if you're on the charts for hours and hours and hours, then you're probably over trading and over leveraging and making mistakes and blah 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 and doing all sorts of things. Now, you may also be business building. This is a private university. You can only join it if you're sponsored by someone who's already in it, and that's quite tough as well. So if you're a network marketeer watching this, you know, you've got to decide the 3 ways. There's a 3-step process within this 3-step process. You've got to decide where you sit in it. Are you coming at this because you want to learn trading? 90% of the customers are people that just trade. I come at it from trading. I've never been particularly good at building a business online, so that was always my go-to foundation, and I knew it was something I could control, I could learn, I could do, I was committed to doing. And then some people come at it, they just want to get 2 and free, they get a couple of mates to join or family, and then they buddy up and do it together, and that means they don't pay a subscription. And then the 3rd set are the network marketers that go all out to build a big recurring income. Now, that takes a lot of time and effort to do that as well, because if you're doing 10, 20 hours a week on trading, you've also then got to add in another 40 or 50 hours a week to build a passive income. But if you're a network marketeer, then you know, you might want to do that as well, or whatever. So that option is there. But I sit in the trading camp, and actually, ironically, I found I've had more requests and more interest from people since I relaxed into that mode. So full 20 hours a week, -10 for trading, but you know, you do not need to do that. And then after a while, when you feel that you can relax about it. And then out of that, we've got 5 hours for, sorry, I've pressed that back, 5 hours for back testing, and I would say 15 to 20 minutes a day, no more than that. Go through the trades that you've taken, add that up over the week, say an hour a week. So that's about 4 hours a week. And then you've got, so that's 20 minus 10. So that gives us 5 hours left. And that is for chart analysis. So by that, I mean, when you come on to set your charts up, look at what's happening at the beginning of the week or each day before you trade. You're doing a little bit of chart analysis when you are trading, because you're looking at where it is, and before you press the button, you're drawing it up and just getting a feel for it. So I've allowed 5 hours for that. So minus 5 for your chart analysis, and there's your 20 hours. So up to 10 hours doing your trading, but I suggest you get that down. 5 hours, 1 hour a day for the back testing, and then you're left with the 5 hours for the back testing, technical analysis, you know, and things like that. So you've got your trading, your chart analysis, and your back testing. Those are the 3 main things. So that is your 3-step game plan for success. Number 1, pick the strategy. Number 2, pick the educator. And number 3, do your live trading with your mindset and psychology mixed in, and make sure that within that you've got your mini 3-step process of your live trading, your back testing, and your chart analysis. Okay, so 3rd year starting on Monday. I'd love a like and a comment, and that would be really great. So congratulations. And if you want to talk to me about it and join me, free trial, no credit card required, there's no catch, nothing like that, see what we are all up to, then it would be a great pleasure. So I really, really hope that some of you may be sitting on the fence and decide you want to join me by next week. It'd be a really great way to celebrate. So that's all for now. It's Friday evening. I'm going to get some dinner, and you all have a good weekend. Bye for now.